CyberTruck that is loaded with solar panels. All these panels are linked to this box, which then charges the battery for the truck. All these things are solar panels. And it's in camo, which is amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, all in the front. And here's a sheet of the solar panels when it's just, not on the truck. Look how thin and plasticky and flexible that is. I will wear that on myself and charge up my energy. Would that work?
If you had a battery in your battery pack.
My heart's my battery.
I don't think it works that way.
So all the panels, including the installation, is $10,000.
Right.
Okay.
And the battery.
And the battery included, $10,000. How long are these panels going to last? Warranty for 15 years, lasts longer than that, but warranty for 15.